Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an Allchinabuy user looking to withdraw your hard-earned money in 2025, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily, so you can get your funds without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a verified Allchinabuy account. This is crucial for security reasons, as it helps prevent fraud. Start by opening the Allchinabuy app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the My Wallet or Finance section. It's usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Next, check your available balance to see how much you can withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits, so keep that in mind. Now, click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. Options could include bank transfer, PayPal, or other e-wallets. Choose the one that works best for you in 2025. After selecting the method, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check for any fees associated with the transaction. Allchinabuy might deduct a small processing fee. Then, input the necessary details, like your bank account number or e-wallet ID, and verify everything for accuracy. Hit the Confirm button to proceed. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation message, and the funds should reach your account within 1 to 5 business days, depending on the method. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or verification codes. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your money. Before we wrap up, always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, check Allchinabuy's help center or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below. See you next time.